This is ScriptSlayer, a medieval desktop software for ASCII artwork, animations, and video processing with TXT file export, 48 character sets, custom character injection, and color palettes. ScriptSlayer is built to give you actual control over ASCII rendering, so instead of just basic characters and numbers in one color on a white background, you can render your ASCII in Unicode, Braille, arrows, shapes, or you can even write your own name, all on your own device with savable presets and custom color palettes. Other than the medieval theme, the best part is ScriptSlayer is built into our main app Ditherboy as a free update, meaning all Ditherboy users get ScriptSlayer at no extra cost. And you can use the new ASCII effects alongside all of Ditherboy's features such as Epsilon Glow. You can use ScriptSlayer inside one of the over 70 Ditherboy tutorials I have now created on this channel, or you can go to the Ditherboy community page and pick up some free downloads that are all fully compatible with ScriptSlayer. To get started, just update to or purchase Ditherboy 6.1, which I will leave linked below this video.